Chapter 22. Kaylee and her pack of friends blasted through the door after school. Our house has always been their hangout. "Oh, hey," they say, stopping in their tracks when they see me in the hallway. It's a warm day, and they are all wearing shorts. "Hey," I say back, and put on my best smile. "When did you get home?" Kaylee asks. "A little while ago," I answer. "Hi, girls," my mom calls from the kitchen. "Come on in." Kaylee's friends are trying hard not to look at my leg, and I can't help looking at theirs. No one else seems to have anything to say. I'm stranger, a freak. "Well, I need to sit down," I finally tell them, because my stomach is throbbing. I sound angry, annoyed. They move aside as I crouch past them, and in a flurry of whispers, they escape up the stairs to Kaylee's room. I retreat to the family room, take my pain meds, and turn on the TV.